Hi, I'm Rachel, and today I want to personally share with you 5 reasons why Finlay could be the perfect fit for you. Reason number 1, our instructors. They care about your success. At Finlay, our instructors are experienced healthcare professionals, but more importantly, they are passionate mentors. They'll guide you, answer your questions, and make sure you're confident and ready to succeed. Reason number 2, a practical, focused academic program. We are nationally certified and we've graduated over 5,000 students since 2007. Our training is hands-on. We use electronic medical records and include role play for attitude and customer service. We don't waste your time with unnecessary classes. We focus on the core skills you need to work as a medical assistant, phlebotomist, or EKG technician. Reason number 3, affordable, flexible tuition. You can start for as little as $50, make weekly payments, and there are no long-term contracts. Most of our students see a return on their investment in just 1 to 2 months after starting work. We give you real value for your money. Reason number 4, bilingual support and career services. Our team supports you in English and Spanish, from enrollment all the way to job placement. We help with platform access, student support, resumes, interview prep, and we connect you directly with hiring employers. Reason number 5, internship opportunities that open doors. We've built partnerships with local clinics to guarantee internships in most of our programs. You don't just learn in class, you get real experience to help you stand out. So if you're ready to start a career in healthcare, we'd love to have you at Finlay Training Institute. Give us a call, visit our website, or stop by in person.